Here you go, guys. Can you have a quick can you keep up video? We got a crank coming apart. Piston was stuck on the rod. As you can see on the wrist pin, marred, way hot. Rod, marred, way hot. We got it all pressed apart that way. I had to fight with this thing trying to figure out how to get this thing apart. This is not the safe way to do it. This is not the smart way to do it. This is the it's either going to break or come apart way to do it. I don't recommend this, but it worked. It went back together, and as with the complications that I had with getting this thing apart initially, I missed a lot of the go back together part of the video. It did go back together, went back together, and trued out really nicely. So the end product is a success. The getting it apart part of the video, though, and part of this job was a pain in the butt. I didn't want to do it this way. I was trying to disassemble the crank so nothing got hurt. There was a high probability of something breaking or snapping doing it this way, but the customer needed the product. The product had to be fixed. It's already broken, so you can't really break it much worse. As you can see, success, came apart, no harm, no foul. We get to replace all the bad components with new components. That is a smoke bearing. Press it back together, true it out, and we've got one successfully rebuilt 4-stroke crank. Appreciate you guys keeping up with me through this whole video. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.